Hello friends, welcome to Max Topic channel and my name is Abhiram, and in this video we are going to learn how to check the editions. Means we have done an edition, how to check that whether it is correct or wrong. We will learn about that. This is the part 3 of the topic edition. Okay, I have already posted part 1 and part 2 videos in the channel. You can go to our channel and you can see the our videos. I'll keep the channel link in the description, or I'll keep the videos, that part 1 and part 2 videos link in the description and the I button, so that you can visit there and you can also watch the videos. Yes, now let's start the video. Firstly, we will have a recap. Before going to the video, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from my channel. Yes, now let's have a small recap of the edition with Carrie part 2 video. Okay, this is the part 3 with topic from topic edition. Let's have a small recap for part 2 video. Okay, now I had said in a part 2 video, I had said about how to do additions with the large numbers or large digits. I had said about how to do addition with large numbers, large digits, and with carry. Okay. Now let's start the recap. Firstly, we will know how to do 2-digit addition with carry. Here I had put it 26 and 17. Here you can do with the number lines. Means here number lines is there, no? You can do it. Firstly, divide into the place values. Means first divide into the place values. I said that video, and I will keep that video link also in the description. You can see that video and the I button also I'll keep. Okay, you can visit there and you can also see. Okay, here 66 and here 7 is there. Now here I had drawn 6 lines. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here 7 are there. I had drawn 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here firstly we have to add this 2. 6, 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here we got 13. Here I wrote 13. Afterwards cut 3 and here put just here 3. Now here first, now we will go to this. Here 2 is there. 1, 2. And here 1 is there. So I had put it 1. Now count 1, 2, 3. We have got answer as 3. Now here 1 is there, no. 1 is left, no. So borrow this one. Means carry this one. Here 2 plus 1 we got answer as 3. Plus here 1 is there, no. Plus 1. 3 plus 1 we got answer as 4. Like that we have to do the 2-digit addition. Only 2-digit addition. With more digits means you cannot, it is possible, but will get confused. Okay. Now for this only another step is also there. That is here 26 plus 17. Same number. See here. Same. This and this same. Okay. Now here we got answer as 43. Now here 26. 6, 7. This is a step 2. Count on fingers. Okay. 1 minute. Let me zoom out once. Yes. Now let me zoom out. Good. Yes. Now I have zoomed out. Now I think it is looking for your my fingers. Now here 6, 7. First take 6 fingers. Sorry. For this we have to do keep in the mind and answer that. Okay. First of all 6 keep in the mind. Take 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Afterwards now count continuously. Okay. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We got answer as 13. Now here we have to put 13 here. See here. Already I had put in 13. Okay, cut 3 and write here. And 1 is there here. Now 2, 1. 2 keep in the mind, 1 on finger. 1, 2 after 3. Now we got answer as 3. But here 1 is there, no. 3 plus 1, 4. We got answer as 4. Like that we have to do the additions. Okay. This is a big addition. How to do I said this also we have to do this. For this only one step is that is here we did step 2, no. Continuous counting means after continuous like counting is there, no. Like that we have to do that. Okay. This also. And yesterday's question of the day, question of the video, I'll show you. here this that here two questions are there. This is the question of the day for yesterday. Okay, means last video. And sorry for uploading late. Means this is I'm uploading this video late. That's why. And now let's start the video. Okay, from now onwards, what I'm going to tell, I will put here on the. I'll put the image there with the examples. Like, okay, means now I'm going to do how to do. I'm going to tell you how to do, how to check the additions, whether it is correct or wrong. Okay, now let's start the video. But before going to the video, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from my channel. Now let's start the video. My name is Abhiram. Now today we are going to see how to check the addition whether it's correct or wrong. Now today's topic is about checking addition. Yes, now how to check addition? Okay, how to check the addition that we have done or correct or wrong. Okay, now there are two ways to check addition that is correct or wrong. Here I had given the photo. You can see also that I had put it that the first step is, I will write here also. First step is by adding up. By adding up. Now the second step is by subtracting one from the, see here, by subtracting one of the attendance that is attendance from the sum. From the sum. Yes, these are the two steps which we have to follow while checking the addition. Here we can check the addition by this step or this step. If we apply any one step, it is enough. We can check that the addition is correct or wrong. Now for example, okay, I will take a number. See here, that came to you now. I think it is displaying in the screen. Okay, we will take one example. Here I think it is displaying for you in the screen. Yes, here the number is there, and the screen, on the screen also it is there clearly. Okay, now here number is as 543 plus 795. This is called adding down. We are adding down. Okay, now first we will add from one place. We will start from one place. 3, 5. As I said here, we can draw the number lines, or we can check it, and we can continue counting on the fingers. This is the checking addition video, so that I am not showing how to do that addition. For if you want to know that, you can visit our channel, or you can visit the video which I had already kept on the I button and the description. Okay, now firstly we will do this. Yes, after doing the addition, we got answer as 1338. Okay, now here, now we got answers after doing this. We got answer as 1338. Now how to check that whether it is correct or wrong? Now we had done the addition. If it is wrong, means how to do? We have to check that is correct or wrong. No. Now we will follow the first step. Okay, this is number 1. Now this is the step number 1. Okay, now I think it is looking for you on the screen. Okay, now let's do the step 1. Now for checking, the step 1 is by adding up. Okay, now how to add up means, what is mean by adding up means, here for this we had added down. Now we have to add up. Means here we got questions as 543 plus 795. Okay. Now here, in the step 2, you have to put here 543, 795. Now here we have to add up, okay, from down to up. And what the answer we will get? 1 minute. I think it's not clear for you. 1 minute. Let me clear it. This I think it's clear for you now. Yes. By adding up means we have to add from the down to up. Yes, we got here answer as same. Here what we got answers, that only we should get. If we did not get answer as here, we got as what we got 1338 we got here. Now here also we have to get 1338. So that we can prove it that we got answer correct. Means when we did the addition, we got answer correct answer. Otherwise here we got another number. By adding, when we add up, we got here another number. Means that the meaning of we have done the wrong here. Up we had no, that is wrong. Now let's move on to the step 2. I think it has been displayed to you on the screen. Step 2, name. Okay. Yes, it is looking on the screen. If you cannot understand here, that's why I'm sharing my screen also here up. Okay, here up I think it is coming. Okay. Now the second step is by subtracting one of the attendance from the sum. Okay. It means here 1 minute. I will show you here. Let me show here. Yes. Now what was the question? Here first of all what they said here, by subtracting one of the attendance from the sum, means we have to subtract the attendance from the sum. Here see here I am doing here so that you can understand clearly also. Yes, here we got answer. Here attendance means here what we had added to a number, it is called attendance. Okay, and here what we got answer is called as sum. Okay. Now we have to the real process begins now. Here we have to see here. Now we have to do this. Firstly put this here 1338 and the attendance here what we got 795. Now subtract this. Firstly we have to subtract. Now how to subtract, I'll make separate video on that. It will be coming soon also. Okay, please wait for that. The video has didn't uploaded up till now, so please wait for that. And here I'll just normally do the subtraction. I'll not say about how to do the subtraction like that. Okay, because this is just normal explanation video, no, that's why. Okay, this is not about subtraction, that's why I'm going to see just checking video how to check addition. Okay, now here subtract this. When we subtract, we got answer as here. See, I have displayed it on the screen. I had displayed on the screen what we'll get after subtracting this two. Okay, yes, we got answer as 548. Now here, see here, this and these two are same. Okay, means what is here means when we add this two, we got answer as this. Now when we subtract this from when we subtract this from this, means when we add with this two, we got answer as this. When we subtract means when we subtract the sum from this, then we will what will be remained, the up ones, means what is that here, that will be remained, that we got as the product means the subtraction answer what we got. Okay, yes. Now here we got as 448. Yes, now this is the correct addition. We don't know, here it should come what is there here, that only should come, then only we can know that that is the correct answer we got. Okay, now I'll end the video for today. Okay, you had understand, no? Let's have a small recap. Okay, now here how to check the addition means by adding means. Okay, now how to check There are two steps: by adding up, by subtracting one of the attendants from the sum. Okay. Now here I had did addition. See here. Now let's go to the step one. Here, see, it's look. I think it's clear. Now step one. 1 minute. I think it's clear. Is it clear? Yes, now it's clear, I think. Now step 1, what is the step 1 means? We have to add up. Here here question is there, no? We have to add that only up. If we got same answer, this is correct. Otherwise it is some difficulty, it is some confusion. Means you can do the another step also. The another step is by subtracting. See here, let me show you. By subtracting one of the attendants from the sum. Here I did it. See, the sum is there. Subtract that from the attendants. We got answers 448. Same. See. Sorry, here that is 443. Okay. Now I'll show you the screenplay. I mean, the writing of that. Okay. I'll show you on the screen. You can also understand. Okay. Yes, for checking the addition, there are two steps. Here you can see, by adding up, by subtracting one of the attendants from the sum. Okay, now here down I have given some examples. Please observe it. Here, see in the first box, what is there? How is there? See here. When we come to the second box, how is there? See, and when we come to the third box, see here. In the first box we had added out. In the second box we had added up. In the third box we had subtracted. Okay, but when we compare this all means we got correct answer, like that we have to do the checking of the addition. Yes friends, now let's end the video. Okay, bye friends, that's all for today. Meet you in the next video, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss any update from my channel. So I have forgotten to give the question of the day for today. Now today's question of the day is see here, I am giving you here only. First one is 5, 3, 7, 9 plus 2, 9, 0, 5. Now here the question is there, no? You have to correct. You have to post the correct answer. You have to add this. You have to post the correct answer, and you have to post the adding up and subtracting. Do two methods also. Okay, you have to post full. Okay, by writing this. Okay. Now thank you for watching. Bye bye friends. But please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon and select all options so that you'll never miss any update from my channel. Yes, meet you in the next video. Bye bye friends.